Hello students, today we are going to read chapter 16, Agriculture in India. Students, as we are reading agriculture in India, we have to know first what is agriculture. So the term agriculture means farming. India is an agricultural country. More than 70% of our population is engaged in agriculture to feed the ever growing population of our country. Almost two-thirds of farmland is used for growing food crops. The remaining one-third is used for growing cash crops. The kind of crop grown in a region depends upon the type of soil, climatic condition, monsoon, and availability of irrigation facilities in that area. And our country has two cropping seasons. They are Kharif season and Rabi season. Kharif season lasts from July to October, and examples of Kharif are jowar, bajra, rice, maize, cotton, etc. And Rabi season lasts from October to April. They are wheat, barley, grain, peas, etc. So, and our crops are two types. They are food crops and cash crops. Food crops are grown for human consumption like rice, wheat, millets, and pulses. And cash crops are grown for commercial use rather than the use of for the farmer like cotton, oilseeds, sugarcane, jute, beverages, and spices. So these were types of crops. So first we will read about food crops. And in food crops, first we will read rice. Rice grows well in areas of heavy rainfall. It requires a warm and wet climate. It is grown in West Bengal, Punjab, Eastern Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala, and Maharashtra. Now, next is wheat. Now, wheat is an important crop in North India. It requires a dry and cool climate. Therefore, it grows well in the winter season. It also requires proper irrigation, and it is grown in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. And Uttar Pradesh is the largest wheat producing state in India. Next is millets. Jowar, bajra, and ragi are some of the important millets grown in India. They are mostly grown in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Madhya Pradesh. And India is the largest producer of millets in the world. Next is pulses. Pulses are an important source of proteins in our diet. And there are types of pulses. They are gram, arhar, moong, urad, kabuli chana, and masoor are some of the pulses grown widely in all parts of India. India is the world's largest producer and consumer of pulses. In India, Madhya Pradesh is the highest pulses producing state. So, students, this was about food crops. Now, our next topic is cash crops. And in that, first we will read about sugarcane. The juice obtained from sugarcane is used for manufacturing sugar, and it is grown in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, and Tamil Nadu. Uttar Pradesh is the leading sugarcane producing state in India. And next cash crop is cotton. Cotton is a fiber crop, and Punjab, Gujarat, Maharashtra are the major cotton producing states, and it is also grown in Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan, and Tamil Nadu. And India is the third largest cotton producing country in the world. Now, next cash crop is oil seeds. Oil seeds are an important source of cooking oil. Oil is extracted from the oil seeds, sesame, groundnut, linseed, mustard, and sunflower seeds are oil seeds. And Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Maharashtra are the major oil seeds producing states. And India ranks first in groundnut production in the world. Next is jute. Jute is also called the golden fiber. It is very important. You should remember always that jute is also called the golden fiber as it is an important commercial crop and earns huge profits. And it is used for making gunny bags, carpets, ropes, doormats, and other articles of daily use. And the producer of jute are West Bengal, Assam, and Bihar. And out of this, West Bengal is the leading jute producing state in India. And next is beverages. Tea, coffee, and cocoa are beverages. And tea is majorly grown in Assam, West Bengal, and Nilgiri Hills in Karnataka. It is also grown in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Nagaland, Uttarakhand, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Bihar, and Odisha. And coffee and cocoa are grown in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. And Karnataka produces more than 55% of coffee in the world. Our next cash crop is rubber. Rubber is a plantation crop. It is obtained from the rubber tree and it is grown in the plantations in the Nilgiris and Kerala. So student, today up to here only, and we will read the next topics in the next class. So till then, read the book again and remember these producer of these crops. Thank you.